A judge has issued a ruling on the future of a Brunswick daycare center. It comes 1 week after a child choked and died there. WJCL 22 News' Andy Cole was the only reporter at the hearing in Atlanta. He shares what happened in court today.
At a hearing today in Atlanta to decide the fate of the Kids Nest, the judge ruled the daycare will close for 21 days so the state can continue their investigation. In a downtown Atlanta courtroom, Jamal Bryant and Taylor Hicks, the parents of little Jamal Bryant Jr., saw the owner of the Kids Nest Learning Center for the first time since their son died in his care. Last week, Bryant Jr. was eating watermelon at the daycare when he choked. He was dead less than 3 hours later. 8 other children watched on in horror. Last Thursday, Georgia's Department of Early Care and Learning shut the facility down, and that was the subject of the hearing. Should they remain closed or not?
What is the rule for supervision, specifically during meal time for children this age?
Well, yeah, the children, of course, needs to be watched, and while eating, teachers should be sitting next to the children or across from the children within arm's reach with the children, especially what they're eating, and also just monitoring their intake. So that is the actual rule from that we did not do from that particular day.
Grant, who has owned the Kids Nest for 4 years, also testified that there were only 2 staffers in the room when Bryant Jr. choked. One of them, who hadn't been trained in CPR yet, had only worked there for a week and a half. The other just started that week. Since the deadly incident, Grant says 2 other staffers have resigned.
And had that child since he was a baby. And she was one of the ones who always greeted him, or were one that greeted him in the morning, kind of also stay him up and watch music. That was her baby, as she says. So during this time, it was very hard for her to see him in that state.
Ultimately, it seemed everyone, including Grant, was in agreement. The judge ruled to shut the Kids Nest down for 3 weeks.
I don't disagree with being closed at all because it's an issue. And I would like for a thorough investigation to take place.
And that 21-day closure actually started last Thursday, meaning the Kids Nest will remain closed until June 13th. In Atlanta, I'm Andy Cole, WJCL 22 News.
And for parents who want to ensure that this never happens to them, you should know that state officials post every inspection report for every daycare in Georgia. We've got the link to that on our website at WJCL.com.